So we have 3 different solvents in which we will dissolve our sodium bicarbonate tablets. The first one is the warm water, the second is the room temperature water, and the third one is the room temperature vinegar. Now we will assess on how fast can each type of solvent be able to dissolve each of these sodium bicarbonate tablet. So we will be putting whole tablets in each samples. So first in warm water, in room temperature water, and in the vinegar. While waiting for our whole tablet samples to be completely dissolved, we will now proceed to these samples here that we will be putting broken tablets. So we will just watch the time as it goes on, and then we will also take note on when we will start for this sample. So we started at 6:55. We put there. So we will be observing this as well as we proceed to our next samples. So as we were preparing for our next samples, our previous samples in our room temperature vinegars has actually dissolved both the whole tablet and the broken tablet has been completely dissolved. So here, and here. We'll now be setting it aside, and now we will start to put our crushed tablets in these samples. So we start at 10, 14, 10. Put that there. Take note that none of these samples are stirred, so we are just watching it dissolve by itself without external help. In the sample of our crushed tablet in room temperature vinegar, we also got it dissolved fully in the time of 17:25. So on our other samples in the warm water and room temperature water, we are actually observing that it's not making quite the progress that we are expecting. So we will just be checking it from time to time without the reliance of our stopwatch. So the time is 12:30. So from now, we will be checking it from time to time on how long did it take for it to be completely dissolved in minutes, and we will just be converting it in seconds. It will take too long for them to dissolve, and the warm water might get cooler, so we will just assess them based on how they have changed in physical appearance, or maybe they decreased in size. So first we look at the whole tablet in warm water. That's its result. And the whole tablet in room temperature water. That is the result. And the broken tablet in the room temperature water, in the warm temperature water. that's the result. And the broken tablet in the room temperature water. That's the result. So, up next is our crushed tablet in warm temperature water. You can also see here. And our crushed tablet in room temperature water. There. Here. Let's take a look here. So that's the difference. Let's take a look here. That's warm. Warm. And this is room temp for the broken. This is warm for the whole tablet. And this is the room temp for the whole tablet. So as we can see, the difference is quite visible and obvious. So therefore we conclude that every size of our tablets matters. Okay, so and also in our solvent, so the vinegar is quite acidic and our sodium bicarbonate is on the alkaline part, so they will create a reaction and it will speed up the dissolution of our sodium bicarbonate. So the same happens in the two different tempered water. As we, for example, we make coffee, so coffee dissolves faster in warm water than to the room temperature water. So that explains it. Thank you.